A profession with a heart, the healthcare industry.
Healthcare is one of the fastest growing professions in the global field. And now is an exciting time to pursue a career on this. The employment rate keeps growing because of the aging population, which means there are more patients to care for.
Here at the AMA School of Medicine, we help you become an instrument to make a healthier and better world.
We are proud that the Philippines will always be a good choice for learning the ropes in the medical scene. Our students in AMA, both local and international, find the same quality and holistic education of developed countries at much lower tuition costs.
Across the globe, Filipino doctors, nurses, and caregivers are characterized by exceptional and genuine care. That caring touch, a remarkable trait of the Filipino people.
I am a medical doctor.
I am a healthcare professional.
I am a surgeon.
I am, because of AMA.
The AMA School of Medicine is a member of the AMA education system. Founded by Dr. Amable R. Aguilas V in 1980, it is the pioneer in quality IT-based education in the Philippines. AMA School of Medicine is accredited by CHED and is recognized by international institutions like the Foundation for Advancement of International Medical Education and Research, Medical Council of India, and the United States Medical Licensing Examination. Known for its wonderful beaches, lush rainforests, and breathtaking landscapes, Philippines has made its name to becoming an educational tourism destination. It is home to various AMA School of Medicine campuses located in key cities in the country. Baguio City up north, famous for its cool weather and beautiful mountain views. Cavite, home to prominent characters who have played important roles in the Philippine Revolution. Davao City down south, the center of trade, commerce and industry hub of Mindanao. And the AMA School of Medicine main campus, strategically situated in the central business and financial district of Makati City, within the country's capital of Metro Manila.
I love living in the city, and ASM being located in Makati is a major plus for me. It's convenient. Everything you need is within access.
Cavite campus has all the comforts of home, which make it conducive to learning. The housing facility there for us students has a clubhouse, basketball courts, a swimming pool, jogging paths, and other recreational facilities. All of these making living on campus an awesome experience.
Med school can be tough and challenging, but I'm really glad that I've got a great deal of friends in here and a lot of activities to do as well. ASM has provided me with a well-balanced school life.
AMA School of Medicine features excellent facilities that enhance the students' clinical and practical skills by keeping up with industry trends and acquiring the latest advancements in technology.
We get to apply everything we learn. We also perform hands-on dissections of cadavers. This gives me more confidence in my training.
AMA School of Medicine boasts of its faculty with excellent academic backgrounds and fields of specialization, who are established in their respective medical expertise and highly regarded in the academe.
Our faculty members have substantial years of experience in the academe and are likewise still in active practice of the medical profession. They do not only teach students, but they nurture them, they mentor them, and they care for them.
At AMA School of Medicine, an innovative hybrid curriculum is employed. Basic science concepts and disciplines are synchronized and integrated for case-based scenarios application.
Here we use problem-based learning method, which is a very effective way of learning how the systems of the body function and work together. It helps me relate science concepts to clinical practice.
Learning with problem-solving proficiencies has positively equipped me for medical practice now. I can say I'm a competent doctor today because of AMA.
As the third largest English-speaking country in the world, we make it convenient and easy for local and foreign students to communicate. This communication skill will be highly essential as they pursue a job in the future in the medical field. Students also gain better experience through AMA School of Medicine's internship program. Its partner hospitals here and abroad provide a unique training experience. Students get to work collaboratively with experienced professionals and learn deeper understanding of medical practices in a professional environment.
The training I received from AMA has helped me gain knowledge and insight, which I believe greatly improve my abilities and capabilities as a medical professional. I'm really glad I chose AMA.
A true melting pot, AMA School of Medicine highlights a diverse population of students coming from many different countries with different backgrounds and cultures. Truly, this makes studying at AMA School of Medicine a rich and distinct experience.
I am a learner.
I am a hope.
I am a cure.
I am a lifesaver.
Together, let's make a difference.
I am
AMA.
AMA.
AMA School of Medicine.